Welcome to NMS Infotech Solutions. Hi friends, hope you are doing well. So, what we are teaching today? What are the special topic we are teaching this today? How to set up styles for particular HTML so that it making proper margin, proper padding, proper border. If you are going to be width and height, how can we setting this proper way so that the whole page will look up proper? So now let's start. So before starts, I specially request viewers, all my dear friends, please subscribe our channels. So now let's start. In the HTML and the CSS, or it may be working while PHP, we require a XAMPP server. XAMPP server is the local host servers. You can get from copy from the net also, which install on your local system. Once you install, it will work. It's like that. It's a local host like that. This is my local host sample file. Now let us suppose to be I am going to show you another examples how to set up a margin padding. Friend, now let's hear the margin top that I am setting here. The margin top means we have to, from the top sides we have to set some margins. Padding means the inner side of the particular div. That is supposed to be, I will show you a demo you. Suppose this one is the, suppose here I wanted to show some more margin that I am setting here 50. If I cut this, you can see like that this will be the margin. If I change this to a padding, this will make the inner sides of the particular div or particular para, inner side will be changed and external side will be kept as it is. Means in short, changing outer side of particular elements of HTML, use the margin, inner element changing some, use padding. Here I am going to show you some examples how is looking this. Supposed to be I am here setting border. Border has also 4 functions: border top, left, bottom and border upper side. Similarly for padding, padding top, padding right, padding bottom, padding left side. Similarly, in case you are considering margin, margin has also 4 sub elements: margin top, margin bottom, margin right, margin left. In this way we can consider supposed to be width. I want to set at the width and height. So width is supposed to be particular of your whole area that will be covered, which is as width is set to be 100%. If you once like to change this width, how can I change this? Suppose I want to change this width, it's set to as 100%, like that. This will be your 100%. This is your viewing that the width is changing of your particular divs. Now supposed to be I want to change the height. Height, suppose I am using pixels. You can use a pixel, percentage, viewpoints, point for PT. There are different sizes you can set up. So suppose I am here setting the pixels. You can view that how is increasing this particular block or particular set of para, how its sizes increases. Suppose I am going to come down, slow down. So in this way you can clear the height, width, margin and padding. Now supposed to be I want to set up the border. Here I am just using this border. You might be seeing this or something I like to use. This will be your border. Border means external cover parts. We have to some more stylish looks. So we are setting that border particularly. Here I am setting supposed to be border radius. Border radius means giving the corner shapes. In that way, in a circle pattern, supposed to be border radius is 20 pixels. How you can see this? This will be the changing. If you are viewing this, this is here changing. In this way we are setting the border radius. Border top, border bottom, border left and border right. In short, in the previous lecture what I have seen, how can we set up the backgrounds, font size, in weaving all the divs and P elements into a particular body structure. In this lecture, I have seen the more brief way and short tricks way with border, margin, padding and width. If some people might be confusing with the padding and margins and width and heights, so don't be confused, just keep it relaxed. If you have any problems, if you have any query, you can comment me into the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. So thank you for watching these lectures, thank you for watching these videos. So friends, have a good day. Bye bye.